Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by prepping the iPhone. Update iOS and verify carrier tethering is allowed. Next, toggle Bluetooth on and leave the Bluetooth page visible so connections can pair quickly. Then open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and enable Allow Others to Join. This creates the internet bridge. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is off on the device you plan to share from if you want Bluetooth-only tethering, because Bluetooth will be used for the link rather than a Wi-Fi hotspot. Now pair the devices. On the laptop or phone that needs internet, open Bluetooth settings and scan for your iPhone. You'll see your iPhone name, tap it, then confirm the numeric code shown on both screens. You must accept on both ends. After pairing, choose the option that grants network access if the platform asks. On Windows, this is usually connect using access point or network. Make sure the iPhone's hotspot remains active during this step, so the network route is established. Finish by checking the receiving device shows an active Bluetooth network or lists the iPhone as the internet source. You should be able to browse. If it fails, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then disconnect and repair the Bluetooth connection. This often resolves routing issues. If problems persist, restart Bluetooth on both devices and, as a last resort, reboot the iPhone or reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. That single troubleshooting tip. Repair after toggling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.